Hey friends, we are up here at the cabin today and we ran into a problem. As you can see, there's too much snow on our gravel driveway. So that's where this little tool comes into play. Now this is a portable cordless snowblower. It's really small, it's meant for smaller jobs, but we're really gonna give it a once over to see if this thing can actually handle conditions up here at the cabin. Now here's everything that is included in the box. You can see we have the main shovel area. Again, this is not very large, but it should do the trick for clearing paths. We have the handle unit here. We've got an end cap as well as an extension piece that goes in the middle. We even have a little ice scraper and a brush, a handy little extra you could actually keep in your vehicle. And then we've got a 20 volt, 4 amp hour battery. Now these extension pieces just slot together and then you have to twist these to lock everything into place. Back out here on the porch, we can adjust where we want the snow to be thrown, either to the left of us or again to the right like this. Okay, let's get the battery slotted right down in here. Should go in with a nice click, just like that, so it's in place. Now we also have a safety switch right here. This actually has to be depressed in order to click the trigger. You can see I can't push anything without that depressed, but once I do, we get everything spinning up. Okay, now something to note. This doesn't have any wheels or anything like that on it. And so it's going to be very difficult if you have really hard packed snow. Now, thankfully, you can see this stuff is a lot of that champagne kind of powder snow. So it's going to be much easier for us to move. But you're also going to have to use some physical force in moving this on your own because it's a manual piece of equipment. All right, let's give this sucker a try on this area over here where we want the treads of our tires to come up. So there you go, friends. That is the EnHulk portable cordless snowblower. It's a very manual piece of equipment, but I think it does the job a little bit faster than like a snow shovel. Again, don't expect this to be a super easy process. Go for light jobs, maybe pathways that you need to create to and from your house. On a sidewalk, I think it'd be good. And then definitely do it when the champagne powder is there, the fresh snow, because once the snow gets hard packed, this thing can get really, really difficult to push through the harder snow. If you want one of these for yourself, you can find them right here on Amazon. Hope that's helped. If it has, hit that thumbs up button. Stay tuned. We're making a ton more of these tool review videos to help make your shopping experience and your overall life just a little bit easier. Thanks for watching. See you again on the next one.